Yo! So this is the iPhone 12 mini leather case, blue color. They call it, I think it's Baltic Blue. I don't know whether I pronounced it correctly. So they just released this in the store yesterday, and I just got it back from the Apple store just now, today. So overall, it's really nice. I always love the leather case from Apple. Use it in the iPhone 11 Pro by my partner. So it has the soft touch that I like. To me, I feel very comfortable holding it for a long time. I have no problem holding it for the entire day or for a very long period of time without feeling any hard edges. Right now, it just feels so comfortable holding this case in my hand. Look how tiny it is. You can literally hold it with both of my fingers touching each other. Yeah. As a comparison, this is the 5S, iPhone 5S. So it's almost at the same size. Yeah, so I really like the compactness of the iPhone 12 mini. Yeah, so as I have said, I've already pre-ordered the iPhone 12 mini and I will pick it up on next week. And I will be doing a series of video of it. First video would be the unboxing and hands-on and the first impression, and later on I will have full review of the iPhone 12 mini, and also what are the reasons that I'm getting iPhone 12 mini instead of the Pro Max or the Pro versions. So if you want to take a look at those videos, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't have to miss it. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.